What's up guys, my name is Gordo and this is my Collision Drumstick artist profile. So I've been playing drums for over a decade now, and I love that I get to turn all this emotion that I have, whether I have a good day or I have a bad day or no matter what I'm feeling, I get to use that emotion and I get to turn it into something creative. I love drumming. I'm very big into playing metal music, especially metalcore. Hashtag Badger State Metalcore, what's up guys? And I love that I'm in this new project right now called Thereafter, and it's the same group of guys that I've been playing with most of my life, and we are loud and we are fast, and although we're just starting, I love where we're going, and Collision Drumsticks are gonna help us band push to the next level. So I've been playing the Collision 5A drumsticks for a few weeks now, and what I love about them is that not only are they durable, but they're a little bit longer length than the typical 5A drumsticks. When I'm behind the kit and I'm doing a complicated fill, the last thing I want to do is be hunched over, trying to reach everything on my kit. No, I want to keep a nice posture, and I want to be able to reach everything without sacrificing mobility. And they're affordable, so they won't break the bank either. All right, enough talk from me. I'm gonna get behind the kit and play Death Wish by Thereafter from our debut EP, Thought Forms. Let's get it.